The closing program of Meghalaya's week-long World Environment Day celebrations was held today, the 7th of June 2022, at the U Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of special guest James P K Sangma, who is also the Minister of Forest and Environment, Government of Meghalaya. Other dignitaries present during the event included the Chief Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya, Rebecca V. Suchiang, the Principal Secretary of the Department of Community and Rural Development, Sampat Kumar, other state government officials, farmers, students, besides others. As part of the program, tree saplings were planted in the premises of the U Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. Awards were also presented to residents of the state who had performed exceptionally well through community action insofar as natural resource management is concerned. Art and musical performances by local indigenous artists of the state added to the closing of the week-long World Environment Day program this year. After the formal event, an exhibition-cum-activity program on the theme Only One Earth was also held for school students at the State Central Library premises, Shillong.
So this is the official launch of the forest management plans prepared so far for 50 villages overlooked by 1,200 youth from 400 villages. It has been imparted training in using equipments like GPS, prismatic compass and Abney's level.
For many long years, we've had celebrations marking World Environment Day, which would be a one-day program. A program marked with tokenism, with a lot of sloganism, with tree plantations. But what we are looking at today is something very remarkable when it comes to the environment, when it comes to protecting it and conserving it, is that there is this move away from tokenism, sloganism, which we've been seeing through many years, and the action has started.